Hey, let me show you the best features of the camera on the Realme 12 5G. First, I want to show you all of these cool features that we can find in the more options. So first, let's start from the dual view video. And in this smartphone, you are able to capture videos from the two cameras at the same time. As you can see at the top, we get the preview from the selfie camera. And on the bottom, we get preview from the back camera. Also, when you click right here, you are able to change theme. So we can get, for example, the big screen of your back camera and the small preview on the selfie camera in the right bottom corner, the right upper corner. And now we can actually get this a little bit bigger view. Also, when you click right here, you can switch position of the cameras. So we can get the selfie camera at the bottom and the back camera at the top. So that's really cool and useful when you want to actually show something and still keep eye contact with someone. Next, we can also find the high resolution mode, and this is actually a really great option that allows us to capture 108 megapixel photos. So let me just get the photo of this apple. First of all, we have to actually hold the phone steady, and it's also recommended to turn on the flashlight if you have actually not good lighting condition. So in my case, it's not that bad. And remember to actually keep the distance between the object, because when you put the phone too close, you will actually lose the focus. So try to hold it, for example, like this, then capture the photo. And now when it was taken, we can just take a look for some details. And now after the post-processing, as you can see, we can find a lot of details, especially when you take a look just right here. Next, let me show you another option. It will be definitely the Pro mode. So in the Pro mode, you can actually adjust every parameter of your photos. So we can adjust the ISO level, the shutter speed, exposure compensation. You can manually set the focus, set the white balance, but also we can take the raw photos by picking one of the following options. If you don't know how to use the Pro mode, there's also another tip. Click on this information icon in the right upper corner, where you can find the description, the short description of every parameter. And now you will actually know how to utilize and use this function. Next, let's go into the photo mode, when you can find other options. The first one, when you click on the screen, you can actually adjust the brightness by moving this sun icon up and down. There we go. So we can make screen brighter or darker. Your photo. You can also adjust this brightness level manually by clicking on the screen. Next, when you click right here on this right bottom corner, you can find filters, and they will actually change the temperature of the photo. Take a look. This apple will be actually the good example. We can even get the the black and the white, more vivid colors, more natural colors. This one actually looks really nice. So yeah, another tip. And let's move forward. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can do this by pinching screen with your two fingers. But in my opinion, it's a little bit easier to click and hold the 1x. And now you will unlock this cool slider. So we can zoom in and zoom out with your one finger. Also, when you do this, you will unlock another preset with the 5x, 3x, and the 10x. And also, you can zoom in and zoom out by using the volume buttons. But as default, when you click on the volume up or volume down button, you will just take the photo. So you have to click on this three lines in the right upper corner, open the settings. Now you will have to scroll until you find the volume button action. Then you have to select zoom, go back, and now take a look. Let's, for example, zoom in on this apple again. Click and hold volume up button and take a look how great and how smooth we can actually zoom in. And this is actually the quality of the zoom. It looks really nice, honestly. Click and hold volume down to smoothly zoom out. There we go. Now I want to show you another two features that we can find in the settings. So navigate into the right upper corner, open the settings, and then we have to scroll down until we find this function. It will be just right here, the shutting methods. Tap to capture and the show palm of the hand. So the first option, the tap to take the photo, works like this. You click on the screen. Now your smartphone automatically adjusts the brightness level and the focus and take the photo. And the second option works like this. You have to show the palm of your hand, and when it will be detected, the photo will be taken. There we go. When you go into the video mode, there's honestly no interesting options. Maybe you can apply some filters, but there's actually no way to improve the stability of the videos or, for example, change the resolution. And if you want to take the night photos, there's actually the dedicated night mode just right here. So this is it for this video. For me, this is actually the best features of the camera on the Realme 12 5G. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.